The leaders of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Food and Drug Administration are set to testify remotely at Tuesday's Senate coronavirus hearing. That's because doctors Robert Redfield and Stephen Hahn were exposed to someone who tested positive for the coronavirus and are in self-quarantine. Committee Chairman Senator Lamar Alexander is also self-quarantining after a member of his staff tested positive. Senators are supposed to hear an update on what federal, state, and local governments are doing to help Americans go back to work and back to school as rapidly and safely as possible. However,
we're just getting started in the second inning of this 9-inning game. So you can understand why we have to have a comprehensive plan for things like testing and so forth that are so different than what we have right now. We're just getting started.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, says he will talk about the danger states could face if they open without following recommended guidelines, according to an email that he sent to the New York Times.
The 6-foot rule. It's the 11th commandment. The 12th is wear a mask. The 13th is wash your hands constantly.
The Trump administration says $11 billion is being earmarked for states for testing. While the pandemic shouldn't be political, it's inevitable. So this hearing will likely highlight the divide within the country and how well the White House has handled the pandemic and the best path forward as public health officials warn there could be a surge in cases as stay-at-home orders are lifted, Dan. And we've already seen down in Florida, Betty, Naples Beach, for example, they open, they see crowds of people, and they close back down. Is that going to have a trickle effect across the nation? That's the question.